It is said that in space, no one can hear you scream. In saying that, in the deep abyss that is space, there has to be noise. There has to be something we can hear. That's what I want to analyze today, the only sound in space. I'm Chris, and this is Factsma in Space. Despite being filled with stars, planets, asteroids, and so on, space is often referred to as a vacuum. A vacuum technically means a space entirely devoid of matter. Inside a vacuum, there is absolutely nothing. No particles, no air, nothing. So what about sounds? For sound to travel, we need particles. These particles can make up a whole range of things, including water, gas, liquids, or even solids. With this being said, sound cannot travel through space because space is, as we just discussed, a vacuum. If you played a guitar in space, you wouldn't hear it. There are no particles in the enormous gaps of nothingness between cosmic bodies in space to vibrate, and thus, the initial vibrations of the guitar string wouldn't have anything to transfer to, and no one would ever hear it. But what you may not know is that with the right equipment, it is possible to hear something. In 2006, NASA built an instrument to extend the study of the cosmic microwave background spectrum at lower frequencies. It was called the Absolute Radiometer for Cosmology, Astrophysics, and Diffuse Emission, or ARCADE. It was able to pick up radio waves from the heat of distant stars. The instrument listened from a powerful height of about 23 miles or 37 kilometers. The powerful signal caused great puzzlement. So, where does this sound come from? There have been many theories, but according to American physicist David Brown, he believes that the infamous space roar could be the first great empirical success of M-theory, a broad mathematical framework encompassing string theory. Once again, there have been many theories, but once we finally figure out where the space roar is originating from, we may also be able to finally unravel the most baffling mysteries of the universe, including the formation of said universe and how the Big Bang Theory came to be. What do you think?